Make sure to stand till the end. If you don't do one thing right, you can actually, guys, destroy your engine and you may end up needing the engine replaced. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those and you wonder, can I drive with a bad camshaft position sensor? Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how it can affect your car, why it's not a good idea, how it can destroy your engine or even lead to accidents. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger, we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So let's go ahead and explain now. We have specifically a 2018 Dodge that we'll be working on. That's the Dodge, guys, and this is specifically a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a V8 it will work as well. We'll go ahead and remove one of the camshaft position sensors. You can see that's a cylinder head. We have dual variable timing. It means that practically the engine can advance or retard the timing on each camshaft, intake and exhaust, and you will need two camshaft position sensors. But if you pay attention here, we have only one camshaft position sensor. The good thing about those is actually it's two sensors integrated in one. The bad thing, when one of those goes bad, you have to replace the whole sensor. Another good thing, it's very cheap. So I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, okay, if you need to get a new camshaft position sensor. Now we have a special video that talks about how to replace camshaft position sensor. This one is easy, but the one on bank 2 cylinder head number 2 right here, it's complicated because you need to remove the upper intake manifold, so you can check it out. This is, guys, a camshaft position sensor that we have specifically right here. Okay, that's it. You can see it has two sensors, one for the exhaust camshaft, one for the intake. This one is known as camshaft position sensor A or 1, this is 2 or B. Now, can you drive with a bad sensor? No. Practically, yes, you can, but that could destroy your engine in the long run, and 2, it can lead to accidents because your car can die all at 7. Engine may not be running correctly, and that can lead to accidents. So I will not recommend it. I'll recommend get a check engine light on, and if you have code for that, get to a safe place, pull over, have the car fixed. Now, if that doesn't work, the engine most likely will start on most Dodge Chargers. They will start, but slower in some cases. Some cases it may start okay, normal, and then you may experience, guys, rough idle, engine RPMs going up and down, misfire. Engine will feel not powerful, you will try to stall, it can die on you. You will most likely have engine light and code related to camshaft position sensor. It could be multiple codes for those, something such as anything such as code P03, P0340, 345, code P0365, code P0390. So it could be multiple things, but it's not a good idea to drive with a bad camshaft position sensor. First, because the engine can stall and you can get an accident. Second, that misfire can cause the fuel not to burn correctly, which means that you will not meet emission standards. The car will not be efficient, it will burn more fuel, and that fuel will not burn correctly through the engine, will end up in the exhaust where it's already really hot, it will ignite. That can cause, even in some cases, backfire. It can burn the catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, that quite a bit of guys expensive parts, and also in some cases it could burn valves. If you keep doing that for a long time, it can disbalance the engine, it can put stress on the bearings, connecting rod bearings and main bearings as well. In addition, something else, if that fuel doesn't burn and develops a misfire, that fuel can actually made it around the piston rings, end up in the oil and dilute the oil, and that can practically destroy the engine. But that's not so likely, but we've seen it happen, guys, so it is possible. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help finding if you can drive with a bad camshaft position sensor Dodge Charger. Thank you for watching and see you next time.